What is AI? Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to the ability of a machine or system to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks can range from understanding natural language, recognizing images, solving complex problems, making decisions, and more. AI systems simulate human cognitive processes, such as learning, reasoning, problem-solving, perception, and language understanding. AI can be divided into different types based on their capabilities and functionalities. Broadly, AI is categorized into the following. Narrow AI, also known as weak AI. Narrow AI refers to AI systems that are designed and trained to handle a specific task or a narrow range of tasks. These systems are the most common form of AI today and excel in one particular domain, but cannot perform outside that domain. They are not conscious or self-aware, but they can process information, recognize patterns, and make decisions based on predefined algorithms. For example, speech recognition systems like Siri or Alexa, image recognition used in photo tagging applications, recommendation systems such as Netflix or Amazon suggestions, and autonomous vehicles for driving in specific environments. Narrow AI can be as sophisticated as needed, but it's always limited to a narrow domain of expertise. General AI, also called Artificial General Intelligence or AGI, refers to a hypothetical machine or system that has the ability to understand, learn, and apply intelligence across a wide range of tasks, just like a human. AGI would be capable of performing any intellectual task that a human being can do. It would possess reasoning, problem-solving, perception, understanding, and learning capabilities across diverse situations and domains, rather than just being limited to one specific task. AGI is still theoretical and does not yet exist, but researchers are working toward building more sophisticated systems that can generalize across domains. Characteristics of AGI include the ability to reason and solve novel problems, being capable of learning from diverse experiences, flexibility across a broad range of domains, and understanding context and making decisions in unfamiliar situations. Superintelligent AI refers to an advanced form of AI that far surpasses human intelligence in every domain, from creativity and problem-solving to social intelligence and decision-making. The idea is that an AI would be able to autonomously improve itself, leading to an intelligence explosion far beyond human capabilities. Superintelligence would theoretically be able to outperform humans in all intellectual tasks, understand and process information much faster and more efficiently than human brains, and develop new technologies or solutions beyond human comprehension. However, superintelligent AI is purely speculative and presents significant concerns regarding control, safety, and ethics. As of now, it remains a topic of philosophical debate and theoretical research.